This is just a seed, small, unassuming, a speck of life. But within it lies a story that could change your world. I planted this seed when I felt lost and my spirit depleted. It seemed impossible that something so small could make any difference, but I was wrong. Day by day, as I cared for this seed, something miraculous happened. It wasn't just the plant that grew, it was me. I learned patience, resilience, and hope. I realized that healing doesn't happen overnight, but through small, consistent actions. This tiny seed gave me food, strength, and a renewed sense of purpose. It taught me that the smallest changes can lead to the biggest transformations. If you're looking for change in your life, start small. Plant a seed, whether in the soil, in your mind, or in your heart. Water it with kindness, nourish it with action, and let the sunlight of hope guide it. Trust me, it will grow. This is more than a seed. It's a new beginning. It's a promise. It's the power of life itself. What will you plant today? Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos about living a healthy lifestyle.